Hi friends, today we're going to be reading a brand new Pete the Cat story. The story is called Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses. And you may notice that I have some sunglasses here on my head. If you have some sunglasses at home, why don't you pause this video, go grab your sunglasses, and put them on with me. Go ahead, pause the video, I'll wait for you. Alright, so we're going to be reading Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses. As we read the story, I want you to pay attention to how the animals feel when they're not wearing sunglasses and how they feel after they put their sunglasses on. Are you ready to read? Let's go. Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses. Ooh, there goes Pete on his skateboard. Pete the cat did not feel happy. Pete had never, ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. Poor Pete. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses will make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." Pete put on the cool blue magic sunglasses. He looked all around, right on. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Looks like Pete felt sad, but then after he put on his sunglasses, he feels a lot happier now. Let's see what happens next. Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way, and soon he saw Squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy. "I'm so mad," said Squirrel. "Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today." So Squirrel feels mad. Let's see what happens. Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They will help you to see things in a whole new way." What's Squirrel gonna do? He's gonna put on his sunglasses. Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around. Awesome! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete said goodbye to Squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" asked Pete. "I'm so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I'm all upside down today." Turtle feels frustrated. What do you think Pete the cat could do to help Turtle? I bet you're right. Let's see. You're right, Pete said. "Hey, try on these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." I wonder if Turtle's attitude is going to change. Let's see. Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around. Far out. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. How is Turtle feeling? Is he still frustrated or does he feel better? Looks like Turtle's feeling better. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. "Oh no. What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I'm so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." Poor alligator. Pete said, "Oh, you know what to do. Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." What do you think's going to happen with Mr. Alligator? You got it. Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete was suddenly rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell back. Uh-oh. The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Uh-oh. Pete didn't know what to do without the sunglasses. Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Wise Old Owl said, "Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day." Pete looked around without his sunglasses. Too cool! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete didn't need his sunglasses to feel happy. He just needed to find something good in each day. The end. What about you, friends? What's something good or fun that's happening at your house that you can share with your mom or your grandparent or your dad or your brother or your sister? What's something good that's going on at your house today? I got to go outside this morning and take a long walk. That was something fun that I got to do. What did you get to do today that was fun? Just remember, like Pete, we can make a choice to find good things in our day, and we can look super cool with our sunglasses on. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I hope you get to go outside and get some fresh air and play today. Have a great day.